Hey y'all, my name's Santino and today we're gonna be making Texas Red. Now for the recipe, we got it from Meat Church, so make sure to check out him. Now Texas Red has no beans and it has like no rice or anything. The peppers that we're using is the guajillo and anchos. There's 4 anchos and 12 guajillos. So here's what the anchos look like. I pre-cut them up so there's no seeds inside. And this is the guajillo. See, so it has a better color, I would say. So we have the peppers here, and we have our cast iron pan right there. So we're gonna put the peppers on each side for 3 to 4 minutes. Try to fill it up as much as you can.
All right, Santino's putting on the last batch of peppers.
Yep, the rest are in there.
The rest are in there. We're gonna add some of this boiling water to it in a minute.
All right, now we're gonna be making a blonde roux. So first we're gonna put 16 ounces,
No.
quarter cup of oil.
Please add that to the pan.
Okay. Okay.
And then how many ounces of chicken stock?
16.
And the water's boiling, so we can add this to the peppers. And how long does this need to sit?
10 minutes? 5. So we're blending the roux that we made, the blonde one, and we're blending with it some peppers. We have our 1 whole piece of chuck and we have some chopped up pieces of chuck. 3 pounds in total. So we are gonna put them on the grill and then we're gonna chop them up so we can put them in the pot.
And why do we have some chopped up and some whole?
There was a lot of confusion at the store. So for dump 1, as I'm gonna call it, we have 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 3 cubes or 3 tablespoons of beef bouillon, and we did 1 packet of Saison Goya?
Goya Saison.
Oh, Goya Saison.
What you doing, Santino?
Just sauteing the garlic and some salt and a little bit of olive oil. Alright, so we added all the 3 pounds of ground beef and now just stirring it around. So we added our pepper mixture and we added the beef stock. So,
All right.
so we added spice dump 1 and now that it's boiling, we're gonna let it simmer for 2 hours. So at the 45-minute mark, we added spice dump 2, which was oregano and cumin. You could also use Mexican oregano. And so the beef bouillon made salty. So we added a potato right here, which we're gonna take out, and then we're gonna put some heavy cream in it. So you normally wouldn't put heavy cream in, but we're doing it because of the saltiness. So thank you for Meat Church for saying the recipe, and it's also on meatchurch.com. So here, we're gonna try it. It's really, really good. I could taste the pepper. I can kind of taste like the dumps, like what they tasted like, and the meat tasted really good.
And you made it yourself.
Yeah, first time. Yeah, first time.
Do you have anything else to say?
Like, and sub.